Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Today is another banger. But before we dive into this comedy, I want to say a big thank you to all my channel members. Those of you who have joined our membership, I want to say a big thank you and appreciate you guys for being part of the family. And those of you who purchased our super thanks, I want to say a big thank you for supporting us by purchasing the super thanks. And also those of you who have been commenting, liking, watching my comedy for a long time, watching it, liking, sharing, I want to say a big thank you to you guys as well. And those of you who's actually commenting, thank you too. So all right, let's dive into this comedy compilation without further ado.
Calm down. I call my guy, make you learn something.
You dummy. I beg you feel run me like 100k. 100k. Yeah. That one's small now. Oh yeah. Say your answer.
Why you go there ask Tamara?
So scary. Hey! Network no good like this, oh. Oh yeah, now.
You gotta trust man.
Man trust man now.
I don't understand what they do. Money go finish you.
Money go finish.
Hello, Afana.
I beg. I buy something for more like this and my network no good. I don't know which GTB. I beg, help me run 100k to my bank. I go refund you back.
Yeah, now which bank make I send am go?
Yeah, run am to my GTB.
Oh yeah, now you go see am
unfailingly.
This one said unfailingly.
See person now. How this one they do make concern you? The person you call 2 minutes ago Shank you. Who be this one you call again? Person wey me call. But who you call? Shank.
This be too like to the beg. Na me born you blocked.
Jesus! Go send them now. Give her 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
That's still waiting for Shank to send the money.
I think.
Let's take our time and watch this one a bit.
This game where they play like this, I don't suffer. This is bunker. I beg. Shoot out, cover me. Head is coming. Come up for there.
Let's watch this video.
It's just starting.
Head is coming. Man, I come up for there. Hey! Make I see you shotgun.
Guy, wait till be there your Bitcoin plug.
Captain Teller, which kind of wala be this? How many times I go tell you this thing? See, if you want to trade or you want to buy or sell your cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, XRP, or any kind of USDT, anything, contact Malo Post. They're very fast and reliable. Every time I'm going to tell you this thing now. Follow this WhatsApp number where it's the screen. Or you click on the link on my bio. What's your name?
Dissolve!
Confusion.
Guys, just airdrop don't catch me. I don't die.
If you get it, enjoy. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Phones. Oh, your babe Christmas gift pack.
It's kind of funny.
Very important thing where I define like this. Yeah, my real me C61. But I don't be this.
No be this one. Not the same thing. You know, so I buy two now.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So you won't give your babe the other one.
You get maybe gift for take complete.
Why you can't do like this?
I don't see him.
And that phone get like 5,000 mAh massive battery.
Bro, you are right.
IP54 water and dust resistance.
Correct, bro. Like now I won't put on there.
Guy, the phone no dey break.
You get and my babe dey careless. So even if you fall, it no go break.
And it get big memory.
Like very big one.
Are you sure you're not the one who stole that?
And the password are just like 199244.
Wait, calm down.
I don't give my babe.
Oh, dollars now. Why you go carry my phone give your babe?
Baba, you now papi phones now. The phone no cost. So I just look say.
You know say no be the price they even do me. No be even the phone save, bro. Now my SIM. My SIM.
Your SIM. I come out the SIM for you now. I'm not that daft now. Sam.
You come out. Baba, no be even the SIM. Like the carton, bro. Some papers they there like.
Oh, the carton.
Yeah.
Baba, no now. I keep the carton now. I give am with the carton. I'm not.
You came prepared.
You know, say I need the pouch of that exact phone. You know, say not the same thing.
The pouch, this thing.
Because of this one, I never put pouch for this one.
Baba, no now. I know the pouch there now. I know.
Mom, Baba, with my phone. What?
Coco ask for your phone. Like, must I tell you directly that?
Oga. You sure say this machine go what?
This is a time machine. It takes time.
Okay. Hey, baby.
Whose sponsor is this?
It's for my mommy.
Are you mental? Take me back to come home.
Baby, no.
Whoever you are.
I'm sorry. Baby.
You're gone.
Okay. Start this machine. Carry me go last week. I won't go come that pint.
The machine is not ready.
It's not ready yet. Okay. Baba, start this machine, though.
It's not ready.
You're not ready. Okay.
Fuck! This boy is finished.
Where you came?
David.
Why they shout now? No baby David.
You know why? Me, David. Me, I know be David, though. David. What the fuck? Wait. Now, Goliath be that?
Shebi God don't tell you say you go beat him.
God tell me say I go beat him. Bros, I swear to Almighty God, I never follow God talk before. You didn't want. Who did not stop me for you?
You landed in the
Who is there lying on me? See, you better
in the
win,
midst
no?
of
I don't wanna
battle.
stop you. Una the best for you?
Yes, now. King Solomon Telegram channel.
You want
They
to
give
force
show
yourself
off
to
and
that
permission
place,
on
eh?
how to win bets for free. Just click the link
You
in the
went
bio
to
to join
appear.
for free.
Ah, no worry, I
At
go
one
join.
front.
You be mumu.
Talk now.
Read this in the Bible. Just throw it, he's gonna die. Goliath, I'm already. Hype me. David.
Jesus.
What the fuck? My crew. This fight never even concern me. I dey go outside.
It's what? Machine work.
Waiting work, Oga. God go punish your machine. When will they go deaf me for there?
Me?
Go punish you.
God go punish me.
Yeah.
But you're not the one who left.
What the fuck? What's happened? What the fuck now?
I will cut off your head.
Jesus! Angry motherfucker. Mac mommy now.
You're still calling him angry mother. I know. You're still insulting somebody that is about to help you out. Imagine. Well, let's leave Mozkoh on his own. Oberekete. Are you the native doctor? Oh, I think he is.
Okay.
He must be the one.
Brogonic.
But the girls are not answering him. Finally.
Go there.
Jesus.
Hey, Kuku, I don't call you since. No green answer. You are welcome.
How you go to use water to consult me?
No, be water na shina.
You dey lie for me, even as I stand for your front.
No vex.
When your father dey in charge of this shrine, I know the way I take dey enjoy. So that's go just go use my take surprise me, body go ginger. But since when they hand over this shrine to you, you just use my nutrition to finish me. You know what? I go punish you.
Hey, Kuku, what do they do?
Na shina I'll go buy somebody used to call me.
Jesus.
Na stinginess, na I go finish you.
Hey, Kuku.
Things don't cost no.
They play.
Small shina play they say 300 naira before. If you see how much they call for me. We not dey try oh. You know it's here. This water, this is they call me. I understand. Can help me go back?
Okay, I want to go back to your kingdom.
I'll go rest. You know where I go look for this water. Can me go back?
Are you sure you're going to go back?
How much you buy the pure water?
800.
How much you got it for that place?
1,000.
Where my change?
No matter she never get change. Now can me go back?
Go call my change, come.
You want kill me? You want to be message for spiritual? You want message for physical? Can never try. Can me go back?
Who calls you? Use my change, go buy peanuts.
What am I watching?
What did I do? What did I do? Go. Hey, Kuku!
This will not happen. Like, what did I just watch? This is absolutely crazy. I think one of the best Mozkoh has ever created.
Brother, I beg. My pikin, they drive and come for school because of school fees. You know, say now only you I get. I don't get one call again. Since when my husband died, now only you I get.
No, don't worry. How much is it?
Brother, now 100,000 naira. But any amount to fee help us with, I pray.
That's a
Don't worry,
chicken
I'll
change.
get for you, okay?
Brother,
Jesus.
you go send me everything. Brother, God go bless you.
Amen.
Brother, God go bless you. In fact, God no go only bless you, go bless you 100-fold.
Mommy, 100-fold.
I beg get her, brother. God go bless you. That your business, God go prosper. Brother, anything when you find one day, you go prosper.
Sir, Prince,
You are back?
Yes, sir.
I thought I sent the money to your mom this morning.
Yes, but that's not why I'm here.
So why are you here?
I came to let you know that in case God bless you with the 100 folds, you should give me like 30% from inside. Because we both know that the money we give me not really deserve that 100 folds.
My guy, you are greedy. I have never seen this kind of greediness. You will selfish on your own. Somebody will help another person, you help that person to be selfish. In prayer, you also try to collect. Are you Nduka, baby?
Good afternoon.
See, how much for this chicken?
This one I go just give you for 30,000. You find where?
Jesus.
Come on,
You know, man, I mean, not be chicken will come by now.
Fowl. I go give you that one for 29,500. For fowl. I beg me. If that your mama, you go allow sell that you dey craze for head. Go just give me the best. I bet na cash a bit transfer on a Bitcoin you want use.
Bitcoin?
Which I be Bitcoin? If that Bitcoin I get very short plug, you just use kicking. They do it for me. Then they trade anything tradable, gift card and BTC. Then they do it. If you just do a falla, pass the dossier. Once I get everything. Oh, we may which one you they do?
Did they buy it?
Daddy, how do you guys afford this big chicken in this our economy?
My daughter, you don't have to bother yourself, okay? Just eat your food.
Hey. Chop rice.
Relax, oh.
Chop rice. There's no meat.
Chicken that I almost broke my waist to get. You want to eat the lap? Who are you? Identify yourself. I may choose it. This one is from
wow, sugar mommy of Lagos.
Do you know me somewhere?
Of course, who doesn't know you now? You look good.
Thanks.
Mama, I said, leave that in. I'm the best man for you. Mama, I didn't knock with you no good.
Why are you so naughty?
I didn't knock. I didn't knock for toilet. I didn't knock for bathroom. I did not for staircase, I did not for kitchen, I did not for ceiling, anywhere, Mama, anywhere, even for car, I did knock well. Mama, in fact, I will teach you how to knock.
Wow, you know what? I love
ask what is he knocking first now.
Let me appreciate you. Put your account details.
Sugar mommy of Lagos, now you now, slice on.
I just sent you 5 million naira now.
Wow, 5 million? Only for knocking? Mama, come back.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Mama, you should come back now.
What's going on here?
Mama. Now the knocking be this now. What will you come now? I'll teach you how to knock. I promise you go knock well. Come. Drop your phone. Give me your phone. Oh yeah, hold it, this one. Oh yeah, knock it. Hold this thing like this. Oh yeah, knock. Mama, knock this thing well now. Make a knock it well.
Somebody that's expecting E-Bank style, you're giving him Mama and babe. What is this? This is wickedness.
Fresh. Yeah? Now a woman saying they were mad store. Say one send me card, but I don't know card I go tell him. Tell him MTN, no is strong. Man tell him buy glue. I tell him 2 of them now. 2 of them are BPS fast. You get vendor. I get strong vendor now. Fast deliverer. I don't tell him. Tell those guys the minute come black boss by 7 p.m. Shut down. Ashamala. Mon alarm. 12 Bellare. 6 Ashawo. Oh God. I made Mama proud. My mom once told me, son.
Let them continue. Why are you fond of short comedy? This talker. Like
the babe that I'm dating presently, she's my life, she's my everything. I love her so much.
Low money on the vibes. Low money giving them vibes. Giving them lamba. Giving them banger. I will see where all those extravagant life will take you to. In this video, you laugh, you weak.
Papa Chinedu. My son.
Yes.
My man. I beg make una easy. They jam this song. Go now. Keep me for this situation when I did like this. So
Papa, no worry. Money dey body.
Fast.
No put body. Use this one. Go body.
Are you whining yourself?
Money is really an idea.
Relax.
Reza.
The warning now, you know they say, all these Pablo boys, they have given you warning now. You think the man is out of his mind until when you broke, you will now start remembering.
You're welcome to Slim Automobile. Okay. Sir, how can we help you, sir?
I need GLE for my baby girl.
Is it cash or transfer?
Yes, I'm available. Change this dollar for me. I'll buy my baby girl GLE.
Jesus! Oh boy, this Baba don't.
It's enough.
Because my baby is my life.
Jesus.
Another GLE. Another GLE.
Jesus. 2 GLE for just one girl that will betray you last if care is not taken. How is he going to drive? My guy is drinking and looking for who will put money in his purse, like put money in his plate, begging like.
Wow. Let's have it. Come on, baby.
Let's see this one carry to them.
You know, I just got here and it's a little bit warm. Everything here is
I just got
back to Nigeria. I'm here for Dirty December.
Don't worry, you're gonna have fun.
Dirty December.
Oh, sorry, my older brother.
Oh.
Okay. He's calling me. You know my brother?
No.
Is this celebrity or something? It's like top shot in the city. He's one of those boys.
My boy. Oh, big bro. Wow, look at you. You're growing some stomach. It looks so good. Yeah. You'll meet my friend.
You have some that.
This one was big kid now.
That's my big bro.
Welcome,
How did you find these girls, man?
Oh. Look at my baby. Hi.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
They thought those guys are going to take them one way.
Hi. Oh my God, you're so pretty. Thank you. Hi, I love your skin. Thank you. Oh, babe, what are you guys having? I mean,
You're welcome. I just got into Nigeria and it's a little bit hot.
You know, I stay in the state. My younger sister stays in NYC. I stay in Texas. So I travel every single day of my life. I do PJ at the moment.
Yes, the Shank is my friend.
I've got the 2025 G-Wagon packed in my house. I even dine on wine with a queers.
I have the Montessori. I have the same car, the Montessori.
Best things are
I see you.
I got you. You fly private with me.
Girls, trust me. Have you guys been to the state as well? I mean, tell me about yourself. Of course. I've been to so many states. Speedy, where in the state have you been to? I've been to Obia State. Hold on. I've been to Akwebom State. Wait a minute. I just returned from Florida across River State. I was in Edo State last week. I've been to Nasarawa State. I've been to Anambra State.
No, girls.
I mean, I'm talking about states in America, like London. Have you been to London?
Oh,
yeah. We've been to London.
Oh, really? You've been to London?
Yes.
Where in London?
Osaka, London.
Jesus.
Who thought that one?
Who thought that one?
Really, nigga?
Who shot you?
You guys are so local. Here, get on my. I don't look in here.
I thought she don't know how to speak English. Which I mean, I look in here. That girl, Matt. That girl will shake this into us.
Hey, Netflix and chill.
Boys will be there on load our cuts 10 mil. Won't break a sweat.
Oh, he was such a good boy. So brave. Just watch for chewing on the bandage.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, you go. Whatever will
Fuck this thing.
Yes, I no do.
Hey.
I beg you in the name of anything you serve that is dearest to you. I beg, don't even start. So those times when they go from joint to joint, from one restaurant to the other, please, it was because of a moment like this. I used to beg you, I beg, no do. Shebi, you record everything while I use my money.
Everything was done because of this
moment. I never see my face, I never see my hand. Nobody knows that me pay. No wahala, but please don't deny me my conjugal rights. I beg of you, please.
How much do you even spend on me, Seth?
I spent a lot, please.
How much is it?
Let's have
it. 60,000 naira today.
Hey, 6 and 0. Not even 60 million.
Don't eat it. Thief and broke and proud.
Said
is 60,000, Abi?
Dr. IS 7 keys power. I don't know for what.
60,000. You see this one? This one, Jara.
So even carry your own money come out. I dey spend my own in the record them. They post online. The girl say you carry money come out. If you pay for here. Come on, this girl don't show me level soon. But no wahala. Any disgrace will bring money na grace.
Na grace, I swear. See, not true. Any disgrace.
Yeah, good morning, my sister. I believe so. I did talk to Amanda from Coded Runs. And I mean, I got a black cap for a profile picture. How about now? You know, so as you sent me your number last night, so so I just make a write you this morning, but I will feast this thing. Yeah, you know, it's a festive period. Yeah, I go the expect to hear
festive
from you.
Period.
Okay?
Yes, you are right. My name is Amanda from Coded Runs. Are you in mainland or island?
Which one be?
Because it's not clear in your profile.
It not really mean anything now, whether I did mainland or I did island. How about
Doesn't matter.
how much should they take?
That's
Not
it.
really get body for all this plenty talk. How much should they take?
You want make SK invest
I
now?
don't understand you. Why they ask you mainland or island? Because na different price. Mainland get your own price, island get your own price. So just tell me where you demand, know what I do.
Come, where you? I know they lie me that they raise voice for me. Oh. You dey hear so? No be small people they talk to. You dey hear? The person wey they talk to so na my short person.
Yes.
You dey hear me so? Should be mainland get your own price, island get your own price. You tell me where you dey back come meet you.
But does not go to
Forget all this whether na mainland or
Island
island.
quarrel
Tell me where
stuff.
you dey. If I come where you dey from there, I fit take small hotel near you there. Can't talk the way they
Small
talk
hotel
safe.
for person that is
Let's say you get consent power.
swear.
I know they interested again. Me no go use the anger to destroy my body for granted. Just look for another client. Go to just look for another client, I beg.
Which one you dey shout say look for another client? Man, I beg you before. I got money for answer they beg you. I not go look for another client before. Sure, be say make I go look for another client. I go look for another client. No problem. I dey go the app. They go block you. They go punish you.
Boy, SK get on pepper, sha. The girl actually just
Oh my God.
got it out immediately and decided to.
Okay. That's for the ride.
That's how it is.
Hey,
Avoid quarrel
abeg,
before it
I want to ask
hurts
you.
you.
Okay. You know, see, lock my door. Well. Oh, sorry.
This man.
Talk.
Continue.
You know, see, me and you, we don't hustle from small. You know that's not more money, nothing, no rich family. Now the same hustle we dey do. So I take get your money where I don't get.
This one, Papa, they talk
I don't understand. Which kind of question be this one? Like, in this thing, I need to ask you because it dey bother me. Why person go get friend? If you see that friend, they do the same work together. Before you know, that one get money, the other one not get. How? You want to know? I want to know. No fear. I go tell you. Yeah, now.
Let's have it.
Remember that day when we carry block for that chief house? Which day be that? My guy.
Okay.
You don't know what happened online. What be that?
Continue.
That your crush. I know don't leak. Eh? Talk truth. Aje. Which of them? That your Instagram crush now. I want Telegram channel. I cast down. Now I show you the Telegram channel. See. Oh more. Enjoy yourself.
Talkless.
Boss, I dey come. Omo, na that time when you leave your phone for me.
Okay.
That day I take see another Telegram channel where they predict sure game. Omo, na that I take see one sure order where I chop 100 million. 100 million naira.
For person phone.
I tell you. Yeah? Wait. Not be kiwi bet with that. Yes, now. I did that leak them my bio.
You dey use your function to play.
And the difference between poor man and rich man be that. Just information. You now you get Telegram. I get Telegram. But what you dey use them for different. You now porn you dey use your own word.
What have I done myself?
Na still God do am for us. God dey do things different ways. So we are start our car. No go flex.
Waiting be this.
Tell me the money still remain.
It remains. It's our car now. You got the information that made you who you are today. From me, from my own phone. You know fear. Because I know sue you. Start our car. I'm go chop the remaining money will remain our money. Who is chasing famous this time around? I think this is crazy, guys. Let's see how it's gonna go.
Ma, please don't run. Come, please. I need your help.
What's the problem?
Please hide me.
What happened?
Hide me.
Okay, don't worry. You are safe here. Don't come. What happened now? What happened? Tell me, I want to start.
Can you imagine in this economy? I carry my last card. Give my canna plug, make on give me canna for house. For the past 2 days now, this guy know they pick my call. He know they reply to my message. I say, what did they happen? Now I can't go a location. Alpha guy, where my Canadian now? You want to do like you want to tell me Canadian, Canada? Now I can't do on something. Now the police come they chase me.
Wait, you mean because of ordinary canna you buy person?
Wait, na canna they call her ordinary?
Sorry.
No, na canna they call her ordinary.
I wonder.
If I go respect yourself,
But bastard people will stupid.
Now wait till they find me this. No wait, I can't meet you make you help me. You won't call police for me, Abi? See how black your heart be. Black Jesus. No, now you go cry. Come collect the phone, you go cry.
Bros, you forgot something.
Are you playing?
Kana?
No lie.
Jesus.
Are you going back or are you running away?
He shot you. Now go help you to station today.
It does make Nduka no matter. They are not smoker. They are businessmen. They are trying to put some kind of calculation of business together. You they get this, I be the swear for you. You know the difference clear.
You actually went back to collect that canna even though they arrest you, no care. What canna we do youth of these days? It's getting out of hand. Let's see this one from Johnny. Frosh. Let's go. Play me.
I love my chicken, everybody.
How are you?
I'm fine, I got your food.
The babe that I'm dating presently, she's my life, she's my everything.
Big, that money you asked for, I'm only able to raise like 3,000 naira. By the time I'm done working, babe, they'll pay me more than 2,000 naira, and I'll give you. Just manage this.
Okay, just try and buy water. I forgot to bring water.
I love you, baby. How far now? I do. How you did? Come on, now your babe now just come on and after I go say you no get money, you carry your son change they give her. Bro, now my wife be that me, I love that girl. The girl go find rich, you go no say your money no follow. Why they do like this now? Use your head. But they try talk now. Bro, let's put this girl on test. You want test my babe? Let's check her. I want take down.
Because you know that I don't get money, my fine babe will do for you because you get money. That guy.
Hello? Your boyfriend just got into a car accident now.
What?
Yeah, come now.
Okay, come now.
Calm down.
Take me to him.
Your boyfriend is fine. I wanted to see you.
Okay.
Let me go straight to the point. I would like to sleep with you. And I'm willing to give you 5 million naira.
Are you mad? Is that why you brought me out here?
10 million.
Just so you know, greed.
When you switch off the lights, the light goes off. Then you switch it on, it goes on. That's to tell you that.
Baby!
Hey! Don't you dare touch me. What are you doing here?
What do you mean? I'm your girlfriend. I came to visit you.
I think I didn't know that you went to sleep with my friend.
Motto for that matter.
Went to sleep with my friend.
You find out?
See, I'm done with this relationship. Just get out of my life.
How did you find out?
I set you up with my friend to test your loyalty. You messed up.
How dare you? After everything we've been through, really? You remember you told me you needed 10 million naira for your project?
Babe, my uncle told me about this business. We're going to be needing like 9.5 million naira.
That's a lot of money.
I want to see that kind of money. Man just day they manage, they go like that.
In this kind of business, sure you will bring enough profit.
Well, babe, forget about the 9.5 million. Let's drink this guy first.
You think I like your situation? You think I like where you're living? I did that for you. I came here just to give you the money you wanted, and this is all I get. That's how much you value me, I see. Just get out.
So I don't want to say anything. They ask me, say, why you never marry? That question is a deadly question. If you ask me that question, you not go like what I go do you.
Oh God, I'm not going to blame that guy at all because the guy I've not done anything wrong right now. Yes, he has the right to ask the girl, why did you, do such a thing with my guy? He has the right. But asking the girl now can become another thing. The girl now use it as an opportunity to gaslight him. Fully knowing where that she's not going to give him the money. If she comes up kind of...
This one way doctor don't say I don't get HIV, But anyway, life goes on.
No, chop. Come chop. Come. I'm not start to do zombie. We have never seen zombie before. I like this comedy so much.
Brother, I beg no vex. Okay. I beg, I new for this street. I dey look for number 33 Fatai Street.
Don't go far. I be Google map. I will take you there.
Thank God.
You go straight, left, right, center, middle. Where I tell you.
Go straight, left, right, center, middle.
Left, right, and I go to the...
No, nah. I say
Jesus.
straight, right, left, center, middle.
No, Wahala. Thank you, eh?
No. I say where I tell you now. I say when you go straight, you go left, you go right, you go to the top, you can't go middle, you can't jump. If you can't jump, you can't see one place where they sell fish. You can't tell them, say you dey go for tire. Where did I tell you to go to now?
Okay, I don't hear. Now my address.
No.
I don't want to go.
No. Check because you want buy son here. But boy, you want buy me son or show you come back here. I said, where did I tell you to go to?
Not by force.
Where did I tell you to go to?
If I go left, I go right. I'll come.
Don't be like that. Come back. Don't be like that. I don't want to talk. Stay here. When you go right.
Bros, no worry. I
don't want to go.
No,
you must answer me.
Come back. See, time don't go now.
No, nah. Now you can't ask me for question. I will give you your direction. I say when you go straight, you don't go right. You turn left. You go middle. You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
You are talking.
When I go left, I'll go right.
No be like that.
I go middle now. Like that. Now what you tell me?
No be what I tell you that.
Okay, you say if I go front, not on branch, enter.
No, when you go front, you turn to your right, turn to your left, and at the same time go to your middle. What did I tell you?
When I go front.
Oh, when you go left, you turn to your right, you go to your middle. No, I say when I go right, you go to your left, and you go to your middle, and you go to center.
Okay, fine. I know they go. Thank you very much for directing me.
No,
I know they go again.
No.
Thank you.
I say where you dey go.
I want to go house now.
No, tell me where I tell you say make you go.
Okay.
Shout for help. Someone should come and help
when you go right, you turn left, you go to the middle, you go to the center, and you
I
go
straight.
Okay, when I go left,
like
I turn right, I turn to the middle, I turn to the center. Then I go straight. America, they go straight.
No, you don't get out where. I say tell me where I tell you say make you go.
You say when I go left, I go to the center, I go middle, turn straight.
Oh no! When you go left, you go right, you go.
Okay,
center.
I don't want to go again. Now my address. I don't want to go again.
No.
Thank you very much.
No.
Sir. I appreciate.
No.
Yes.
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 No.
Funny people. Hello guys, make sure that you're part of the 1xBet golden opportunity.
They are still there.
To activate a 300% bonus
With the way things are going right now
by
among
using my promo
like
code
between the both of them, I
All you have to
think
do is just to download the app.
nobody's going to rescue them until in the morning.
Complete the full registration.
That was
using
when
my promo code
Motell will call.
Motell. Top up your account.
Go
to
call for
activate
help.
300% bonus on your first deposit. Don't forget to bet wisely. Note,
This kind of thing exists. Does it really happen? Like, does it really exist?
using my promo code O1 Motell.
Ha! Oh my god! You? Wow! Sunshine.
Alpha bro.
Who play?
I get Facebook login so.
Jesus.
I even get IG 5 years, 10 years, 20 years.
Yeah, property Yahoo boys. How fine get gonna say Facebook logins?
Go and toast now. There's nothing bad. If you like, can go for
Can you just shoot the boy inside the net? You wanna take my life?
Baby.
Baby, what's up? How are you?
Fine.
These people, I'm not even watching again that much.
Baby.
This is why you're happy like this. Baby.
What's up?
I suspecting you.
Baby. You know I love you, right?
And I love you more.
Baby, I think our relationship is getting boring. You know how men, you guys like action. But I think if we spice it up, baby, you like it.
Yes, we can spice it up. I don't mind. What are you thinking, baby?
Yeah, just smiling. I don't understand.
No, I mean, it's you that is suggesting it, though. I know I love you. Anything you suggest.
Whatever. Baby.
Yes, baby.
I think we should do a threesome. Wait, baby, I'm not a bad person, though. You know now. I'm not a bad girl.
Even if you are a bad girl, baby, I love you like that.
Oh, yeah,
So, threesome.
With who?
Oh, yes, I will do, baby.
Oh, you're calling the
Just
next
do
partner
one,
is going to be a
then
girl.
this one you're happy.
No, yes, now. Actually, I won't follow and go house.
Okay, baby.
So, we bring the person. Is it me or you?
Me?
Hope you're coming with
yes, because me, I don't know any girl.
I thought you had someone.
No. Nobody. I don't know anybody.
Okay. I'll bring the person.
Okay, baby. Yeah. Put it there.
Put it there.
Put it there, baby.
Baby, are you ready?
I hope you're going to come with your girlfriend,
Okay,
not
baby, close your eyes.
best you.
Coming. Surprise! Baby!
God have mercy upon us.
You like it, right?
Me and you will come there.
Just like take off your shirt.
Let's have it.
Oh my God!
Jesus!
Baby, stop shouting!
Yes, baby.
You know what? Best threesome ever. Let's go.
I don't dare my friends.
It won't work. Work for how? Me and person will come, they wipe you.
If your boyfriend they use
iPhone, it's not
and
working.
you suspect that boy they cheat on you, worry no more. May I teach you now how to catch boys when they cheat.
Yo.
Go settings. If you reach settings, look for photo. Once you see am, you enter hidden album. Check if it day off online. Click up. Yes, my love. Where my phone?
Baby, with this girl.
Babe, who?
See, she's not me with this girl. After I've been together for 9 years.
Babe, I can explain.
I can't believe I was about to my father to will his entire estate to you. But now it's over. We're done.
Babe, no. Hey! Babe.
You go know that time whether your boyfriend they cheat on you or not.
Go be that. See how I am flat like paper.
I use a raw body. After I just get one contact for us now, but they come now. I didn't say motor now. Boat driver, I beg if you carry me go Supply Road.
I have so many power.
If you do this thing before and you go stop back with this.
You went on a relationship because of rubbish and you had a boyfriend.
Everywhere good.
This world is not mine.
You're going to say Shank like I'm taking you to where?
Hello, Yosi, I beg, I keep sending you my live location.
Where my
what's with my
content? You're going to
say no more. Happy birthday. It's nothing. Have all my money.
Papi, I think I won't get for you.
I gotta respect yourself. Now you know, see me and my girl there in a serious mood. I don't even have any penny with me now.
Well, I want to get this job now.
Baby, go be now. I love you so much.
I just sent you 10 million naira.
Hey! My brother, God bless you. God bless you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you too. If not for that money you gave me that time, I would have not become anything in life.
My brother, to invest in human being is very, very good though. You want to help since that time I don't even forget.
Exactly.
Hey! God bless you. When I reach us now, I go confirm the money.
Manage the 10 million, okay?
All right, sir.
And I'm going to do more for you.
It's a little boy becoming a man.
Madam, come. Where you go now? You can go, eh? You go be. Alobam. Now the human investment I don't do like this.
It's too much.
They said the best investment is to invest in human being.
Thank you. Chop five.
Oh yeah, nah. You go be.
Hello.
You see that migrement?
How far now?
You still the migrement.
Which one be 150k a night? Other girls, they pay them 50k. May I give you 60,000?
Oh, God, keep quiet. Waiting be 60,000 when you want to talk. Eh? You don't forget I make investment in your head.
You don't know.
Human being investment now I make. Nothing concern you concern enjoyment. Take.
Jesus.
Take. This one no pass 700. Use this one, sort yourself out. Eh? Make continue by you. Remember, I got my eyes on you. Nothing concern you concern HK girls.
My in-law, you are welcome. You are demanding for the total amount in the list to marry our daughter. Is that not it?
It is.
It's very cheap. Everything will just cost you 700,000. Forget about the woman now. We'll settle everything by ourselves.
That's too cheap. I'll give you people 1 point.
Talk now. If they leave you, how much you want to talk? Eh? Stand up. Which one be 1 point say it's too cheap? Eh? Listen. Calm down. Remember, I made a human being investment on you. Eh? You want to carry my investment to go marry? Time never reach where you go marry. When the time reach, I will be the one to tell you when to marry. And my brother, it's too early for this. Make my money grow small before you marry. You go be make it go.
Oh, brother Jesus. Bring back our in-law now. Hey!
This is how it's been done.
I bet put fried rice, chicken.
We have
3 turkey. 2 eggs. Bring them to my table, I beg.
God have mercy upon us.
Oga, your food is ready. Gary and water. Drink Gary, may know whether your brain will calm down. I make investment for your head. Human being investment. You want come here, come chop 3 turkey. You know what they do that?
It embarrass me. For 2K, then you do me like this.
Okay, I thought it's 10 million.
This investment, I know say it go generate better money. Take this one and drink for now. I got my eyes on you. No order for anything again.
This one again, I've been a boy.
Okay, drop it.
Yeah! I'm going to worry you. You don't forget to make investment for your head. Which one be make a stop drop? So if not be me carry this keke knife now, so if I stop keke drop, carry go. I make human being investment on your head. Nothing concern enjoyment for now. Now trek you go dey do. The money grow well. You understand? So they go.
Baba, which kind of bad spirit will you be? You don't torment my life. Anywhere I go, I will see you. I've tried to marry. You destroy my marriage.
I'm waiting spiritually.
Again. Woman, I know they fit carry again. Now because they 2,000 when you give me. No, I don't do again. I don't do again. Take your money. 2,000, take your money. I don't want to sleep for my life again, I beg. Which one be this one?
Calm down now. Why they do like this? You want give me money while I give you back, they give me 2,000. That's what they do for your place.
Now because they help me.
My investment don't reach 150 million for your head now. You understand? Jesus. Oh yeah, now how you take the pay? Take. Cash have been a transfer. So I go. As you say, you don't reach to settle now. You want day free. Take. Oh yeah, transfer the money.
I never see this kind of money where they call before in my life.
Oh yeah, now trek they go. Take it. Remember, nothing concern you, concern enjoyment.
I go remain a slave. Torment me even for my dream. Come, I go see you. Thank you.
Nothing like enjoyment, Till the money reach 150 million. And maybe by that I go don't even pass.
God have mercy.
Oh yeah, now trek they go.
Because of 2K. And the 2K has become a very serious problem on his neck.
And so this is the house I was telling you about. This house, we have 24 hours light here.
That's what they talk.
And you see the road now, very good road. This house is the best, one of the best houses on this island. You see this place now that is empty. They won't use a pool, swimming pool for you guys. And the landlord is not even in Nigeria, stays abroad. And one good thing about this house is that every morning they will serving you guys breakfast. Clapper.
We wait.
Okay, agent. How much be the house?
The rent is like 2.5. So with everything, total package, everything, 4 million. 4 million. Yeah, it's very cheap. One of the cheapest house on this island. You can see it.
Let's have it.
Wow, love for agent, but 4 million.
Roland.
Are you guys leaving?
Do everything to
we are coming.
You to rent their useless house. You know builders, you don't even know one thing about house. You don't spend money.
I don't collect that house now.
You won't get million plus.
I dey go back my comfort zone. They don't fix my lights there.
Roland, who collect this house? From there, also buy our own.
Maybe they find house where they post swimming pool.
Yeah, your dream will scare you. Your dreams are not big.
Rubbish talk. That's when I pass $50 since.
They will do everything to convince you to rent the house. To put in agent fee on top as well, you know.
It's okay, please. You know you are value to us, Well, you know today is Monday. I will have a lot of customers inside because we're having slight network issues. But I will send somebody to come and attend to you guys today. So if you head to withdraw or deposit money, this line. If you have for customer service, this line, please.
Okay. Which one when you rush enter my front now? Waiting happen.
It's okay. Now you go tell me where I go start for this bank. Don't talk to me anyhow. If not be this bank, you don't feel put my talk to me for outside. If not be bank, you don't feel talk to me like for outside.
Sir, why are you standing alone? What do you want?
Okay, I can't come back my ATM card. I beg. I'm give back my 1,150.
God have mercy upon us.
Go to return your ATM card in this economy.
make I come dey suffer.
Now so the economy done bad. My God.
they play. It's never bad. It don't worst. Very soon everyone will start returning that card.
Make that it. See, if I start waiting for you, you go look at me with boy. No go worry.
What's wrong with you now? I'm talking to you. Am I your mate? I'm a detective man. I'm telling you, come down. You're fighting. What's the problem?
No problem. I'm not saying.
What is the problem?
Like this guy's actually making brother shy. Voice are
okay. Oh yeah. I still got the talk. Say okay. If you can't steal the 100 million, say how much percent he go give me?
Okay, my brother, say.
You got to say go give me. Make I explain to you. I the best. You got to say go give me 10%. I got to tell the game inside the talk. How much I collect? Out of 100 million.
It's wrong. Out of 100 million, I give him 10%. No, how much you work? Is it tight that I'm giving him? Wait, it's okay. It's okay. My brother, wait, calm down. So it's okay. It's a good thing that an elder came to say to me. It's okay. Listen to me, this boy. You have entire issues.
I'm not angry. You want angry?
I'm telling you, calm down. Calm down. Now, my brother, that they've done music money, leave them. Those people are making money for music, I will not lie. You understand? But the thing now is down your 100 million. Let's know how. You don't be shouting 100 million like that because of where do you keep the money? Let's know how we share. Where's the money?
But I say, you tie the part for here. I say, assume me, pay, assume shot, pay. When I say assume shot, I pay you, assume me, pay you see the 100 million. Don't be say you see,
okay, people have not seen the money.
You never see money.
And you are sharing it already.
Which money?
Which money? Both of you get that from here. Leave here.
Go get that. Oh, the way you don't see money, your ear don't open.
Get that from here. It's
Igbo man like money.
You like money.
No, I've done you dirty. You have never seen being dirty.
Queen mother, eye of the gods, ear of the gods, mouth of the gods, and whistleblower. Una no say before any bad thing go happen to anybody for this village. Now una they approve. And I know say all those my uncles, my aunties, and my enemies. Now una they come me to cook some kind things for them. And na 2,000 naira they give una. Now I don't decide say I go give una 1 million naira. Yes. So from now to the next 10 years, una don't need work. Una go just work for only me. So anybody will come to do anything against me, una go do am against them. Back to sender.
If I say all the big men for this town, they do as you do, you know, for the buy person.
After all, now anger and hunger make us the pay people.
You don't say Chief Madu do like this.
Who for not buy them?
Even them in China, we come back from China 4 years ago. If you say you do this one, if I don't go back.
I don't even know why they call us bad people.
We're not really bad, sir, but I identify with you people.
Which kind of boy be this one? You don't spoil for person.
Limau. How come Bazi managed to think of this comedy? How come he managed to have this thought? Oh my God, you went to bribe the native doctor, your village native doctors.
Don't disturb me. It's the reason why I buy this thing.
Okay.
I'm not going to waste my money like that. I don't look for this compound since. And now today, I go show you say, oh, this is where you go. Now those waterproof.
You want to fight? I don't know if you're blind. You can't see this guy's chest.
They beg me, use and they look at me.
The muscles.
You understand?
You guys have very one rotten jalabia. You want to challenge him. I don't know what some people think. What a disgrace and shameful death. That's his spirit. That's his spirit. Yes. Wondering what is going on. What happened to him. He cannot even recall how come the guy hanged him there. The God can smoke. We won't make you challenge this huge man. Don't clear for your spirit. Nonsense. Like, guests are fond of this. When you take them to a ShopRite to get one or two things, they want to buy more than they can even afford on their own. They can't even afford what they are buying. If you ask them to afford it, they can't. But because somebody just want to help them, they will want to wreck that person down. If that person cannot pay, if the person is even pricing, they will be so angry. They will get upset because your guy is pricing. And you cannot
Ma, your bill is 950,000.
950,000
naira. Don't worry, my man is coming.
A few moments later.
Hurry up now. What's going on here?
Ma, please, it's 2 hours already. Customers are waiting. Please, can you just pay your bill so I can attend to other people?
Just, you know, just take out everything, eh? I'm praying for only this sweet. How much is the sweet? 100 naira. I'll pay for this one.
You gotta trust man, hard down.
Just for this sweet. What's the sweet? Take it out.
You were there.
Babe, have you paid? Wow.
Go on.
Let's go now.
Wait now.
Jesus.
Hey.
But you know one thing about these girls? They love buy. And they are too stingy for themselves. Like, girls are very stingy when it comes to spending for themselves, especially things that they will eat, things that they will wear, all those toiletries, glowing things, shiny things. They are very stingy for themselves. But when it comes to a guy asking them to buy these things that he wants to pay, don't try them. Things that will be picking, that have never picked that thing in their whole life. If you ask them to, like, sort themselves out. Well, I love the comedy. The guy just suffered ghost out. Film. He even tried. The girl was lucky for him to come back. If not, some, you know, we'll see them again. Just few moments they gave her to pay for herself. Only 100 naira she could afford. Imagine. Let's leave that and let's quickly dive. Let's dive on this comedy. Like, let's really emphasize on this comedy. But before we do so, I want to say thank you guys for watching to this extent. A big thumbs up to all my channel members and a big thumbs up to those of you who have supported me by purchasing our super tanks. I want to say big thank you. I want to say very big thank you. I appreciate every one of you, and those of you watching, those of you liking, those of you commenting, a big thumbs up to you, and appreciation is being given to you right now. Thank you guys. Let's see what is going on in this comedy compilation. Let's see this Mozkoh. I never saw it coming. Like, I never saw it coming. How can you be summoning okay, let me say, how can you be summoning a god with water? And after the god was talking, I thought maybe he was even talking something from his own experience. I thought he even know what he was talking, but for him to like go out by himself, want to get gin, makes me know that both Mozkoh and the gods are crazy gods. They are crazy. I've never seen where a god will agree that his servants should be appeasing him with just water. Can they even disappear with water? It's not possible. I love that comedy. I love it. And it's very, very hilarious. Like, very hilarious and very, very funny. So you can check him up on his Instagram, Mozkoh. And also don't forget to check every one of these comedians on their Instagram page. Follow them and also subscribe on their YouTube channel. Yeah, on YouTube. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. If you are that type that doesn't like me commenting or, you know, reacting to these comedies, just try as much as possible to go for these comedians on their YouTube channel. Follow them, subscribe to their channel, you know, make sure you watch it. And if you're watching from them, I think you will never see me there. There is no way I'll be adding commentaries. You will not even see me there. So try as much as possible to make sure you subscribe to their channel. Support them, you know, support them. And I think this is one of the support I can give to them as I'm using their content. This content are not actually mine, but me adding reaction, me adding commentaries, me adding, you know, work, my editing on this content, you know, actually qualifies me in the eyes of YouTube as a bona fide, you know, or as a partner with them, or as owner of the content. You know what I mean? So I really want to say thank you guys. Thank you. So what do you think? What do you think about this particular comedy? Yes, this one. After this guy, you know, told his girlfriend that he needs money, you know, you watch the comedy, and someone, he actually tried to prank, or no, he actually tried to like test the loyalty of his girlfriend. But at the end of the day, it all failed. The girl actually failed the test and slept with his friend. But who are you to be blamed after the girl collected 10 million naira and the guy told him, so you have knocked my friend? Is this how you want to betray me? not knowing that the girlfriend actually did it because the boyfriend told her that he needs so and so amount, you know, for business. And the girl actually did it just to carry the money to give to this guy. But when she got home, she realized that the guy was actually asking. But wait, I have not seen any reason why this girl should be angry, because the guy actually, you know, was shocked by the girl's action by sleeping with his friend. He was shocked. He never knew this girl would have done something like this. He never knew. But the girl is actually trying to pick offense because the guy asked. This is the guy's offense. So you have been sleeping with my friend. Why? So the girl's offense is this. Why would you test me with your friend? That's the only offense. That is the only offense that the girl the girl thought this guy has committed. Why would she be angry with that? There is no way the guy would not ask that kind of question. And if the girl is actually, if the guy really loved this guy, he would have given him the money no matter what, and they would just resolve everything. But this time around, this girl is not in any way trying to give the money to this guy, but she came up with this kind of drama thing, trying to gaslight the boyfriend in a way that she will probably go with the money. This relationship has actually come to an end with the way this girl behaved and left this guy. And who lose? The guy lose, the girl gain. Because if you look at now, this girl, now the girl may go blame. The girl may go blame. In fact, the both of them are to be blamed. The both of them are to be blamed. So I don't really know what to say concerning this, but I think the both of them needs to be blamed. Yes, why you go test your girl loyalty, and you, why you go knock for that money? You see? So they just, since the both of them made the mistake, they should have just reconciled and share the money if they loved each other. So I think that is enough for today. I'm going to call it a day. We're going to see you guys in our next comedy compilation video. Have a wonderful time and peace out.